these things are fun. Holy. All right, guys, so we're going to talk about applying a tune to your car. Now, before I jump too far into it, I just want to say that the Burnout Challenge is approaching. It's this weekend, March 31st. So I really hope that a bunch of you guys are going to get in on this. It's a lot of fun. Anybody that has done one challenge, always wants to get in on the all the other ones. And the reason why is because it brings awareness to your channel, and it also is a great way of meeting new people with awesome cars. It's a fun way to spend a weekend, you know, on YouTube. Watching the internet get swamped with these videos is hysterical. It's great, and it's a fun way to use the platform. So anybody that's even remotely thinking about it, do it. Get out there, burn some rubber, make some Mopar road art. You will very much enjoy participating in one of these challenges. It's a lot of fun, so definitely recommend it. Upload your video Saturday and copy and paste the link to your video in the comments section of my video, and you're good to go. Now, applying a tune to your car. This is something that's extremely easy, and Diablo did a great job of walking you through the process of actually applying the tune to your PCM. Now, as a side note, anybody in a 2015 and on, make sure that you have an unlocked PCM. A lot of people, what they do is they buy another PCM that's unlocked and keep their original as a locked and, you know, a locked PCM, so that if they want to get any warranty work, they swap them in and out, and hopefully the dealer doesn't really, pay any attention to it. So I myself have two PCMs. You saw the installation video yesterday. That was my Scat Pack Stage 1 PCM that got pulled out, and then I put the unlocked one in there. And if you haven't checked out that video, please do. It's a good video that shows you how to take the PCM in and out properly, and then what the procedure is to get the the PCM linked to the car and the car operating. Now, I installed the 91 octane tune after the PCM was successfully installed, and unfortunately I messed it up. So how did I mess it up? Basically, the car was off, and you just put the tuner into your OBD2 port, and I went through the whole process and everything, and I walked away with a check engine light, and that's not good. So I called up one of my favorite channels, Growl's Garage, and he told me the necessary steps. Like, he was just like, dude, did you hook it up to the Wi-Fi? And I said no. So hook your tuner up right away to Wi-Fi, and then check for updates. Okay, this is a common thing that I forgot to do, and once I did that, I reapplied a tune to the car, no check engine lights, and it was good to go. Now, like, I don't know if I mentioned this, but Diablo does an amazing job of walking you through the exact tune, like what you need to do in order to successfully tune the car. You'll see a bunch of different screens that say, put the car on run, now turn it off, and you just alternate doing this several times. Now, the one thing that's kind of crappy is how long it actually takes to do this kind of stuff. So, just be mindful of that you're not gonna walk away in like a half an hour. Set aside an hour to do this. Take your time. Make sure you're near a Wi-Fi network or whatnot, and just set aside an hour. Okay, maybe an hour and a half, and it'll walk you through the process. It's really not bad at all. Now, I did notice that my T2 was not calculating the speed, and the gauges weren't working on the T2. So I'm going to have to plug it back into the OBD2 port, test it out again today, and if it's still having a problem, I will contact Diablo and see what's happening with that. But I'm a big fan of customer service, and I've contacted Diablo multiple times, and they've been pretty responsive getting back to me. And I don't think it'll be radio silence. I think I will have that wrapped up, and addressed if it continues being a problem. So that was the only, issues that I had, which was, my error with, not checking the latest updates, and then the T2 not calculating the gauges. So the gauges aren't working right now on the Trinity. Driving smooth, for sure. But this could be a placebo effect, so we're gonna wait a little bit longer on my, my actual take. There's certainly not like a drastic difference that I'm feeling at the moment. Man, these things are fun. Holy. Oh my God. Driving like a dream, baby. All right. Some time tests are in order. Guys, I have successfully installed the unlocked PCM with a 91 octane tune. Not bad.